Alright, this just got serious. Up until now, every regulatory filing we tracked pointed to the standard Pocket 4. But just before things tightened at the FCC, DJI quietly registered something new. Pocket 4P. And yes, the P stands for Pro. This wasn't a minor paperwork tweak. DJI typically files separate FCC models when hardware, radios, or internal components meaningfully differ. That means this is not just a software upgraded Pocket 4. It's a distinct device. According to FCC documentation, the Pocket 4 Pro received certification on December 22, 2025. Now here's why that date matters. On that exact same day, the Federal Communications Commission updated its covered list framework, effectively restricting new equipment authorizations for certain foreign-produced drones and UAS-related technology, including DJI. That means the Pocket 4 Pro cleared certification just in time. Once an FCC grant is issued, the product is legally approved for sale in the US. The 180-day confidentiality period that follows only protects internal documents like schematics, block diagrams, and user manuals. It does not delay release. And historically, DJI often launches products well before that confidentiality window expires. So realistically, this suggests a Pocket 4 launch first, followed very closely by the Pocket 4 Pro. Possibly weeks apart, maybe even back-to-back. The FCC label lists the model as PP041. It includes Canadian certifications, SAR testing data, and detailed battery specs: 7.44 volts, 1,545 mAh, 11.96 watt-hours. That already hints this isn't just a minor refresh. But what really stands out is the SAR testing, specifically the 5 GHz Wi-Fi extremity values. They're comfortably within legal limits, but noticeably higher than what you'd expect from a basic compact camera. Higher performance radios often show up this way, and that lines up perfectly with what insiders have been hinting at. The Pocket 4 Pro is rumored to feature a dual lens setup, possibly inspired by DJI's multi-camera approach seen in the DJI Air 3S. If that's true, this would be the biggest evolution in the Pocket lineup since the original launch. Instead of just slightly better stabilization, a small sensor bump, or incremental upgrades, we could be looking at wider plus telephoto combo, more advanced subject tracking, improved low-light performance, higher bitrate wireless streaming. That would finally justify the Pro branding. And it would signal something bigger. The real question isn't whether the Pocket 4 Pro exists anymore. It clearly does. The question now is how aggressively DJI wants to reposition the Pocket series. Is this still just a compact vlogging camera? Or is DJI turning it into a serious hybrid content tool, something that bridges the gap between casual creators and professionals? If the Pro launches quickly after the standard Pocket 4, that tells us DJI sees real demand for a premium compact system. And based on these filings, they're ready. The timing was strategic, the certification is secured, and the Pro model cleared the FCC just before the door narrowed. Now it's just a matter of launch timing. And if DJI's past behavior tells us anything, we won't be waiting long. Peace.